Today I will show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Odoo. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into your GoDaddy account and also log into your Odoo account. And once you're done on your Odoo dashboard, you're going to come to this icon here and you're going to click My Databases. Here you're going to click on this arrow and you're going to click on Domain Names and you're going to click on Use My Own Domain. Now to find your domain, you're going to go to your GoDaddy account. You're going to go to your name and then you're going to click on My Products. Here you're going to click on Domain. And under domain, you're going to find all of your domains that you have. If you don't have any domain, you can create one. But we're going to copy this domain and we're going to go to Odoo. Type in www first. Then we're going to paste in our domain. So now you're going to go to your GoDaddy account. You're going to go to DNS. Then under DNS, you're going to go to DNS record. Now under DNS record, we're going to click on Add New Record. And you're going to scroll down. You're going to choose the path, which is a C name. The name will be www. We're going to use our Odoo database and we're going to save. Now we're going to go to Odoo, and if you've done everything correctly and you click on verify, it's going to tell you DNS configuration seems good. Then you're going to confirm it's done. And just like that, you've been able to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Odoo. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.